Hello viewers, this is Simil. Today I'm going to show you how to get an EMIS number of your school. Each school is assigned with what you call an EMIS number, which is used to register a school in the EMIS website. So let's go to our browser. Open your browser. Come and type in EMIS. So on the side, you click on this website link to open. Then you move to EMIS number. EMIS number. So we are on the form where we're going to search for our EMIS number. So we come and select the institute type. Institute type, either you own a primary school, secondary school, certificate awarding institution. So let me go with the international school. You click on district, where is your institute located. So let's say maybe it is in Wakiso. District is Wakiso. County, said here it is, the county is Chila. Sub-county, you select the sub-county from here. Namgongo. Ownership, is it private, government? Private. So you come in the search section, you click search option. It will give you all international schools that are in that district, plus the EMIS number. So that is the international school. Let's go to secondary school. If you are registering secondary school, you click institute type. Is it pre-primary, primary, secondary, certificate awarding institution, diploma, degree? So we shall click on secondary. District. Click on let's say this is the, let's go with Mukono. Let's go with Mukono. Assuming your school is located in Mukono. County, is it Mukono? Municipality. Sub-county, you select sub-county. It's Goma or Mukono Central. You click on the best option. Parish, go with SETA, board, ownership, private, research. So when you click search, it will give you the school's name and the district plus the EMIS number. So you just go to your school, go to your EMIS number, you write down this number. It's going to help you in registering your school or creating an account with the EMIS website. Please watch my next video. I'm going to show you how to use this EMIS number after generating. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.